the next problem, question number 14 of exercise 6.5 triangles chapter. The question says here, there is a triangle here and we are going to draw perpendicular from A to the side BC such that AD is perpendicular to BC, and also another condition is given here, DB is equal to thrice CD. So whatever the measure of CD is, and it will be 3 times this measure, that is 3 times CD will be equal to DB. So all these things are given here. You are going to prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So let us see how to prove this. Okay, as I said earlier, just look into the question here. Here we have been asked to prove 2AB square is equal to 2AC square. So let us take first how to get AB square here. Let us take this triangle ADB, which is right angled at D here. So in this right angle triangle, AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square by Pythagoras theorem. And how do you get AC square? Again in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. So let us take these two equations as equation 1 and 2. See, since AB and AC are on the either sides of this equation, so we are going to subtract this equation 1 minus equation 2. Why do we do this? See, we want to avoid this AD square here. Okay, this is not in the equation of the question here. So how to avoid this AD square? We are going to subtract 1 minus 2. So AB square minus AC square is LHS minus LHS is equal to RHS minus RHS. So AB square minus AC square is equal to AD square plus DB square minus AD square plus CD square. So when you take this minus into the inside the bracket, you get it as AD square plus DB square minus AD square minus CD square. So these AD square gets cancelled, and what is the final equation you get here? It is AB square minus AC square is equal to DB square minus CD square. Okay, so just look into this third equation, and when you compare the figure with this third equation, what can you see? AB square minus AC square, AB square minus AC square, and DB and CD are all the on the sides of BC here. CD is on BC and also DB is on BC. So we have to express DB and CD in terms of BC so that we will be getting the answer here. So we have AB square here already, AB square here, AC square here, and we have to convert this DB and CD in terms of BC, which will be we'll be getting the answer. Okay, let us see how to express this DB and CD in terms of BC. Okay, so we know that BC is equal to BD plus DC, isn't it? We know that BC is equal to BD plus DC here. So let us look into the figure here. See, BC is equal to BD plus DC. And we know that BC is equal to DB plus CD, and in the place of DB it is given that DB is equal to thrice CD. You have been given this in the question. So in the place of DB we are going to substitute as 3CD. So BC is equal to 3CD plus CD is equal to 4 into CD. 3 plus 1 is 4. So BC is equal to 4CD. Therefore, this 4 when it goes this other side, when you transpose, you get as CD by 4, isn't it? So BC is equal to 1 by 4. Sorry, CD is equal to this 4 when it goes the other side, 1 by 4 BC. So we have expressed CD in terms of BC. So we have expressed CD in terms of BC. Next, we have to express DB also in terms of BC. Okay, let us see how to express DB in terms of BC. We know that DB is equal to 3CD and CD is equal to DB by 3. So we are going to substitute the value of CD in this place. What you get here is BC is equal to DB plus DB by 3. Clear? So when you multiply this equation, the whole LCM, you get it as 3BC is equal to 3DB. Okay, plus DB, that is when you take the LCM, and final answer you get it as 4 dB by 3 Hence this 3 when you transpose to the other side, you get it as 4 dB is equal to 3 BC, or dB is equal to 3 by 4 BC. So dB is equal to 3 by 4 BC. This is a little confusing part in this problem. Otherwise, if you can understand this part, otherwise this problem is very simple. Okay, now we are going to substitute in equation 3 which we saw earlier, that is AB square minus AC square is equal to DB square minus CD square, isn't it? We are going to substitute the value of dB and CD in this equation 3. So after substituting, dB is equal to 3 by 4 BC and CD is equal to BC by 4 in this equation 3, what do you get? So substituting dB is equal to 3 by 4 BC and CD is equal to BC by 4 in this equation, what you get is AB square minus AC square is equal to 3 by 4 BC whole square minus BC by 4 whole square. Okay, what do you get after squaring? 9 by 16 BC square minus BC square by 16. After getting LCM, you get it as 8 by 16 BC square, or 1 by 2 BC square. So when you take this LCM of this 2 to the other side, you get it as 2 AB square minus 2 AC square is equal to BC square, or 2 AB square is equal to, when you take this transpose this 2 AC square the other side, 2 AC square plus BC square. 2 AB square is equal to 2 AC square plus BC square. So let me sum up the whole procedure once again. For this proof, we are going to take this triangle ADB and we are going to get an equation by Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. Then you are going to take this triangle and going to get the second equation, and subtracting equation 1 minus 2, you get this equation 3 here. So once you get this 3, what you have to do is, next thing is, you are going to express DB and CD in terms of BC. Okay. So this process requires bit attention. You see, we know that BC is equal to BD plus DC. Hence BC is, and we are going to express CD in terms of BC. By this process, we know that CD is equal to 1 by 4 BC. And similarly, DB is equal to 3 by 4 BC. So once you're clear with this thing, you're going to proceed this. We are going to substitute these two values in equation 3 which we got earlier by subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. So substituting dB's and CD's value in equation 3, that is equation 3 is AB square minus AC square is equal to DB square minus CD square. So substituting this in equation 3, what you get here is AB square minus AC square is, in the place of dB you are going to substitute 3 by 4 BC, and in the place of CD you are going to substitute BC by 4. So after squaring and taking LCM and after the transposing the whole procedure, you get after transposing the final answer, you get as 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Thus we have proved the problem.